Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Shinjuku, Tokyo, and we're gonna have a Thai Wagyu Tuesday. So yeah, ito yung starter nila. So pagka nag-order ka ng premium buffet, ilalabas muna nila to. And then, after mong ma-consume yan, you can order your next orders through this QR code. And then you have 80 minutes to order, but you have 100 minutes to stay here and eat. So yeah, yan muna yung mga una niyang sinerve.
And then, una ng plate, dito na tayo kakain.
Yun nga eh, ba't walang plate, no? And, plates, can you get, guys, please? Yeah, yummer. Oh my god, it's burning. Okay, try it without the sauce first. My first taste of Wagyu. Oh my god. Ang sarap. Oh my god, it's so nice. Ang sarap. Promise. Ang sarap. Sarap. That's my first bite. Sarap mo. Good. Kanya na lang. Yummers. Sarap din ng rice. Look at that patty. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Yummers. Ang sarap, guys. Ooh-wee.
I'll put this guys. Gusto ko rin mo?
Yep.
Eat and then eat?
Ibang dumating na in-order natin. So ito, lutuin mo, tapos hindi mo dito.
Ganun. Hindi ba? Hindi.
Guys, hindi ko alam kung ano itong in-order ko. Pero mukha siyang masarap at nakalagay siya sa maliit na pot.
Hindi ba yan pork?
Hindi ko alam eh. Para siyang beef. Mukhang beef eh. Shotty kumuha ng curry. Kasama yan sa meat order. Kasama rin pala yung drinks. Di ba sabi niya, Ach, kasama yung drinks? Kalimutan ko yung sinabi niya eh. I think it does include drink. Ito scallop.
Actually, I want to try the curry.
Okay, I have the sliced beef here and then we have the raw egg. Tama kaya itong ginagawa natin, guys. Baka mali pala, no? Baka mapahiya tayo.
Good. Ang masarap na.
Ang masarap tama. Sarap. More order. This one is so good. Really good. That one.
Kimchi. Try it out.
Wow, shawty.
Masarap.
Masarap, kimchi.
Start.
Garlic. Requested by shawty.
Ano to?
Hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung mga in-order ko. Basta nag-order lang ako na mukhang masarap. Okay guys, ito na yung last order namin kasi medyo nabubusog na kami. Pero, ang last order namin, syempre, ay the premium cut wagyu. Busog na, no? Busog ka na? Yeah. Ikaw?
Yeah, busing na.
Itong diced beef, ang sarap din ito. Ang taba niya, pero melt in your mouth. Diba, no?
Kaya yung chicken to.
Guys, ginagamit ko to as tissue. Apron pala siya. Bib pala siya, bib. Si Ate lang nakapansin. It's too late kasi matatapos na kami, pero okay lang yan. Wala! Last hurrah! Last na yan. Hindi na kami nag-order. Kasi busog pa kami.